Hey everybody, there's some in the press making great hay over President Obama's supposedly low approval ratings, but Barack Obama's approval rating, even at its lowest, is still better than George W. Bush's low during his presidency. President Obama, depending on which poll you read, is either at 40% approval rating or 46%, 47, 48%. But in his lowest recorded was 38. But George Bush, his lowest was 25. And toward the end of his presidency, he was hovering around the 30s. Even at a point when the economy was much better than it was during President Obama's first 2 years in office. So President Obama is not really doing bad at all. And this whole matter isn't a story of the Obamacare issues. It's really a problem with the fact that you have young people who've got out of college who can't find work commensurate with their education levels. And that's a huge problem that started far before President Obama. But if you take a look at the chart here and how President Obama's approval rating has dipped, it is roughly timed with the graduation period this year, and it's gotten worse as students have come out, they can't find jobs, some are taking jobs as nannies. So, and of course the parents deal with that and everything else falls into place. It's not Obamacare. But the bottom line is, the good news is that people are finding work, and I think things will stabilize by next year. But something else too. The deficit, and here's the real problem. The deficit is at a 5-year low. You say that's good. I say it's bad. Why? Because it means that we've encouraged non-deficit spending. We've encouraged government reduction in spending at a time when historically government is there to put more money into the economy when the economy is performing lower. What does that all mean? It means we're not using money from government to produce jobs. We're taking jobs away. That is the bad thing, and that's why we have this persistent problem, and that is why it has affected President Obama's approval rating.